when it comes to advertising mediums, where you are will, in the what we call it, the product awareness page, changes. So sometimes you're out for somebody. The idea that you're running for clients in an insurance industry newspaper is ridiculous because nobody who's into the insurance industry is doing that. So you're more likely to say, okay, these people who with insurance, let's suppose you're looking at people who are actually working on their bucket lists. They're trying to make sure that the last part of their life is as fantastic as it can be. So in reality, you're looking for people who are demonstrating that you said that their target audience was 3 months before turning 65. Right? You're looking at people who are booking the kind of vacations that are 3 months before 65. Okay, so they're taking cruises that that you don't have to be, that aren't super athletic, that they're not going parasailing every day. Right. You're looking at and so there are those magazines that they can be renting, or you can find out what their lists are. And then there's also there's a lot of places, and this is a key one. There's a lot of companies out there that will take a list. They will take lists that you have, and they will do analytics on it. So you can take a list that's broad, like let's say AAA, and you can extract out the people who are 3 months before 65. So you don't have to spend time and money and effort and energy advertising to all of them. But yeah, when they're, you're going to different medias for different things. So you had a guy in Australia, he was talking about doing how-to. And I said, why are you doing it on Facebook? Everybody who wants to learn how-to goes to YouTube. That's the only time I really go to YouTube. There are other, so you're doing different mediums all the time with different goals in mind.
If you want to generate highly qualified leads and sales, then this video is just a taste of the real secrets of marketing and business that you need to know. The secrets come from the real experts, not the gurus who spend their time speaking at industry events, but the industry leaders who are using what they know to run their own businesses and acquire assets. These are the people the famous gurus go to for help and advice behind closed doors. One of these behind-the-scenes leaders is Ben Simkin. Huffington Post named him the #1 Facebook marketer in the world, and he's been featured in Forbes and Inc. magazine for having generated over $1.45 billion in sales using Facebook advertising. Ben flew to Los Angeles to hold a small and exclusive workshop just for his friends and close clients, where he shared his newest strategies for business growth and Facebook marketing. For a limited time, Ben has decided to make the complete video recordings of this workshop available. You'll be able to see every strategy he shared and how he helped the workshop attendees apply the strategies to their own businesses. You'll also hear from two of his good friends, Jared Codling and Ulysses Usana, who revealed the PR secrets of large companies, how to position yourself as the go-to in your industry using strategic media placement, and how to growth hack with the latest automation and tools to give yourself an edge over the competition. To grab these recordings while they're available, go to www.themastermind.com.au/recordings, or just click the link in the description below.